Sometimes you might just want to know how long your computer has been on, but is there a simple way to do it? Yes, there is. In this video, we will see how long your computer has been on using our old friend, the Task Manager. Simply open your Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and then selecting Task Manager, or you can do that by typing task ngr on your run command. Go to the Performance tab and there you will find your system's uptime. I have my computer on since 4 days, 14 hours and 53 minutes and so on. So this is how you can find how long the computer has been going on without shutting down. Here's a little bonus tip. Sometimes when you open the Task Manager, you might find just a small window without any of these tabs. You'll see something like this one. In that case, just double click on the border of the Task Manager window and it will get back to its normal display window. Double click again and you can see the simplified version of the Task Manager. Both these above tips work the same on any version of your Windows computer. Hope you like this video. If yes, please click on that like button, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit on that notification bell icon to be notified every time there is a new informative video like this one. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, please take care. Thanks for watching.